सुबह 8 बजे हम यहाँ पे होते हैं और मत 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 ले।
क्या कहना चाहिएगा वेकेशन ट्रेनिंग के बारे में?
हमारी जो दिली ख्वाहिश थी कि एक दिन का तो ब्रेक मिल जाए, लेकिन वो भी नहीं दिया। कॉर्पोरेट मजदूरों की तरह सुबह 8 बजे हम यहाँ पे होते हैं और 4 बजे वापस
मजदूरों वाले कपड़ों में।
मजदूर वाले कपड़े में। आप कुछ कहना चाहिए? आप भी आए।
कुछ नहीं कहना चाहिए, आई एम म्यूट।
और ये हमारे हालात
और घर भी
हैं
नहीं जाने दे, जिनको नहीं चाहिए प्लेसमेंट उन्हें भी घर नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं।
हाँ। और जो यहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं वो तो अपने घर जा सकते हैं, बट हमारा क्या, हॉस्टल में पड़ गए।
Okay, so I got back a while ago, like 20-25 minutes ago, which is I got back by 4:40 and it's currently 5:15, 10 something, and I'm really late. I had to be there at my old Starbucks to get Pallavi at 5 o'clock, and I'm running super late, so I didn't film the whole getting ready process and whatever. And when I got back from college, so I got ready. This is what I'm wearing, the beige pants. Anyways, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna start booking my Rapido right now, and I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna meet her, and then I'll show you everything. Okay? Thank you. मेरे को किडनैप करके लेके जा रही है पल्लवी. Who knows?
Hello guys, welcome to Kaush's channel. Okay, traveling from Bellandur to Electronic City is way more difficult than traveling from Bangalore to Mysore.
Yo, so.
Here we have Kaushal.
It's a reversible octopus. You can just reverse it and look at the equations. It's got
How much it costs is normal, like. I know. How much is this for?
That's $3.99. You have it in 2 other colors as well.
Say hi. So if you guys want any of this stuff, you
Yes,
can.
then come to auntie's too. Yeah.
Social anxiety, market.
You have 100% social anxiety.
I have zero.
Why does it look so good on your phone and not so good in mine? Okay, so we're at the mall. We went to Starbucks and I had made one plan of how to shoot the video, but it's an open store. It doesn't have any windows or doors, so it will be really difficult to think of a new plan. Plus Vishnu is not there, so we'll be a little bit awkward.
Social anxiety.
Social anxiety, 100% social anxiety. She has 50% social anxiety because she actually can shoot in the public, but I can't.
I can shoot, but my co-partner should be cooperative.
Come here, I'll show you something. I'll show you. This is for 450 and this is I bought from Kamla Nagar for 250 rupees. Since 2 years it's going and it didn't lose color also.
The shopkeeper got offended, guys. Guys, I really wanted to participate in that voucher thing so that I'll get 500, but she didn't let me. And now they started singing again, and they cancelled, not cancelled, but they holded it again.
We're here till 8:30. No, they'll go at 2.
Stay till 9 o'clock.
Do you want to give it a shot?
Yeah, sure.
See what it is. You can take back home for free. It's very free, fun, cool activity.
Something Pallavi got. At least something you got, right? This is mine. Pallavi is doing hers. here at 6:40, and from the
6:30.
moment 6:30.
30.
And since then till now we have been roaming in the mall. Here and there we got these cute things. Show yours. Show yours.
Mine cycle love.
Cycle heart and flowers. And I got this very aesthetically pleasing, very Muskan Rawat coded whatever.
Look,
आ गया. He lied to us. He told us he'll come in 10 minutes, and his 10 minutes have been happening since the past 1 hour.
past 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
I'm paying no 10k.
So what you're paying? Nothing. He's not paying one single penny.
Is promotional. They're not even taking. Even he's not going to pay me any extra. Guys, after so many manifestations,
Shut up. I helped with you everything. I followed everything. And I gave her the spot.
Still,
Center of attraction I gave her.
I went at sharp time and I took the photo. When did we watch her in Tokyo?
No, metro this is.
Guys, I was talking about 500 rupees voucher, right? I finally won one. This woman Kaushal is not letting me to go and eat, guys. She's not even finding any ideas.
I am finding ideas. I am trying to find some ideas.
She is thinking a lot.
I'm just a girl. Okay, I think we're done halfway. We're thinking if we should continue making more videos, like the more the merrier, right? If I make more, then it'll be very easy for me to edit more. Papa Pallavi, I made her shoot so many videos for me. She's so angry at me right now.
Not angry. I'm angry.
Okay, so we Pallavi was saying that there's some voucher thingies here, like people are winning some vouchers. Apparently what we had to do is we had to find 18 festivals of India in some crossword which they gave, and we found 12 of those. And because Pallavi was so adamant, like I want voucher, so we finally found 12 out of it, and we were third, like we were number 3, and we got one voucher from Taco Bell. And this lady, she wants to go to Taco Bell right now. We will go. Don't worry, we'll go and we'll eat. But we should finish this video soon. Vishnu gave me this strawberry drink. Some people like it, but some
You
people
don't
like
say that you don't like.
some people like it, but it's not really my taste. But it's fine. At least he's giving something, right? Oh, by the way, I stained my pant with coffee. I don't know where it went, where it came from. I think it came from this table. Some people might have spilled it, but yes, it's here. And it's looking very bad.
Guys, right now I'm a videographer for her and she's making me to suffer.
You're not doing it properly. Okay.
She made me to win the coupon, but she is making me to suffer so much.
Okay, so I'll be leaving very soon. That was, I think, this was the end. We have come to the end of this video, I guess. And Pallavi ko Jinein ne flowers latte. Actually, Jinein, somebody gave this to Jinein. I think Vishnu gave this to Jinein. And Jinein came to show this off to Pallavi. So Pallavi took it.
And Pallavi is having it.
Pallavi will keep it with her. That was the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what all to shoot. I'll see you. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Do like this. Bye.